Boys, what's the deal, baby? We're back at it again today with an install of the hybrid turbo. I'm super nervous, to be full honest with you. I've watched a couple installs and it looks just a little bit above my knowledge. Today's goal is really just to not mess up the car at all and just hopefully have it go smooth. Every install we've done so far has had some issues, so I'm hoping this is the only install that doesn't, because it's probably the most important install of all. First order of business, you're gonna be jacking the car up, obviously. Hopefully don't take an L right in the beginning and it just kind of goes smoothly. I'm expecting to be at this till like probably 11 o'clock at night. It's like 3 o'clock right now. So we're just expecting it to, he's expecting it to go well, but knowing me, I'll probably mess something up and it'll, you know, have to be another 5-hour install. So we'll start with the jack. If we can successfully do that, then I'm happy. All right, that's step one, dude. By the way, we're in like absolute full race car mode. Ryan, get on my fucking hype level, dude. Get on my fucking hype level, dude. Get on it, dude. All right, so first thing we gotta do, I think, is remove this cowl right here. That's gonna allow us to get access to the top bolt on the manifold from what we're assuming. So this thing's gotta come off no matter what.
Can you do it?
No, I can't.
Thank you with the wipers.
I just don't want to
haven't even
smack
started
my
the
hand.
install yet. Can't even get the wipers off. Let's go. I can't do it either. Look at, he's hiding behind the hood. He's embarrassed. Wait. He's everywhere. He's omniscient. He's omni-waifu. Ow. Ow. Hello, lovely boys. Hello. Next thing to do is take off this charge pipe that goes straight down to the turbo, because otherwise we're not getting that bolt off. So let's go ahead and do that. We're just over here attacking it from the top down. I'm a gearhead. Watch out. Everybody fucking turn around, dude. I'm a gearhead. Don't call me that. I don't want to be a loser. I don't want to be a loser.
My mama always said them gearheads are blue-collar workers. I ain't giving nothing but gearhead. I want my Gear Integrity sponsored. That's my gearhead goal.
Listen, before you certify me in anything, like any mechanic work, I just want you to know that I don't take any of the credit for uninstalling this. It was really mostly just about the torque that we were talking about earlier. What's up, guys? It's Cameron Alford here. It's all about confidence in the garage. We just took off the intake. Actually, I just lied completely. It's not even the intake, it's just a charge pipe. I think. And we were talking about this a little bit earlier, me and him, and he's been really coaching me a lot about this. It's about torque, right? It's all about the torque in the garage. And Cameron Alford came to my house the other day and he talked to me. He said, Griffin, look, I heard you were doing the Fiesta build, and I put my hat forward and I was like, Cameron, can you just give me a second to collect myself here? And Cameron's like, dude, listen, I don't want you to have any more of the confidence. So we took my confidence away, and now we're here and it's no confidence in the garage, but we still got the inlet off. Yeah, dude. I'm surprised. Okay. Alright, well, I've actually never changed the oil on any car ever. I'm not even gonna lie, there's no point in lying, it doesn't even matter. So I'm gonna do it for the first time right now, during the turbo install, and Ryan has advised me to just go ahead and pop it off. So we're gonna see if I can actually catch the oil in this little pan, and there's also oil already in here, so if it overflows, your boy's going to Sin City, okay? I don't feel safe at all with this car right now because I just feel like it's gonna fall on me.
Here we go.
Oh, what's up, bitch?
Oh wait, let's see the hand. Is the hand dry?
Yep.
Is the hand dry? Wow.
Is it dry? So, all right, I just undid the coolant line from the turbo halfway. A little slippage in the eye on the coolant side there. So I'm putting on glasses for the next one. I'm not really trying to take another L like that ever again in my entire life. So I'm gonna stay as far away from the coolant line as I can this time, because I was directly under it, had my fucking mouth open. If it would've gone on my mouth, I'd be in the hospital probably, so. Bingo. Ryan is under the car now, getting something out of the downpipe, one of the studs. Giving him a little bit of trouble, so it's kind of worrying me a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't snap. I don't want to even like say that because I don't want it to happen, but if it does, we'll have to figure that out. But they were coming out easy, and then now they're like at the end of, coming out, and they're kind of giving him some trouble. So this thing is missing a thread, which is not good at all, but thankfully it came out and didn't snap. There's another bolt that's giving him trouble as well, like the same kind of problem, so hopefully that's not missing any thread. How's it feel? Super jank?
It's really difficult.
Really?
Yeah, it's definitely screwed up.
It's not good. Waifu's walking around with a torch, so it's starting to get a little bit intense right now. So we've tried pretty much everything to get this bolt out, and it just keeps getting worse, which is unfortunate. So we're gonna take a torch to it. My buddy Paul just came over. He's running to Home Depot to get us 3 bolts for the downpipe, once this comes out. We're gonna heat it up and see what happens, but I mean, if it doesn't work, then I don't know what to do. So, like, I don't know what to do after that. All right, dude, light her up, baby. Let's get this thing out, dude.
I just don't know if I'm gonna have a good angle at this.
You see that? I'm gonna like.
We're a little bit right now. I'll be honest with you. We've tried just about everything. So we've got the vice grips out. We got Paul here. Say hi to Paul. This is Paul, everybody. You guys didn't get to see him yesterday, but he's here, also trying to help. It's just a massive L at this point. I guess like the best case scenario is to let the bolt snap, which in my head sounds absolutely awful, but apparently that'll let us slide like the, I don't know, what?
Downpipe off.
Downpipe off the turbo.
Ow.
Did it do it? It's not. It's not.
Yes. 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 Ah.
I really don't know what to do. I just want this to be off of my car. Should we just Dremel it?
I can't.
Can't get it in there?
Can't get it in there.
What's the next step? What, like, honestly, like, what is the literal, like, what's the other option? Is there an option? I can't think of an option. Guess I'm just gonna take this grinder and grind down 2 sides of the bolt to make it grindable. No, I'm sorry, to grab it with a vice grip and then turn it uncontrollably until it hopefully snaps or just completely pops out. This is worst case scenario ever. Like, I don't think I've ever seen anyone do this on the ST page ever. So maybe I'm the first, baby. Maybe I'm the first. Maybe I'm the guy that's gonna innovate it. But dude, we're going in and I'm not happy. I'm actually quite angry because it's, what is it, 8 o'clock? We've been doing this for 3 hours on this bolt now. It was light out when this was fine. So here we go, baby. Wish me luck. So I guess we're gonna start really slow here because why would I start fast? And this is not what I wanted to do on Saturday. But here I am. This is the 4th dude we've had over to try and help us out. This is my buddy Pedro. This is usually the position that he is in. It's very common. Here you go. Oh! Wow.
Look at that.
Top of it. Show me the head.
So sweaty.
Oh my god, dude.
God.
That's insane. What's the thread looks like?
I can't believe you did that. So
There's no thread, dude. That's insane.
Did it snap?
Oh, it snapped.
Yeah, it snapped.
It snapped.
The rest is in the turbo.
Well, I don't care.
Good shit.
Turbo's
Yeah.
coming out.
Yeah,
Let's go, baby.
Yeah, it snapped.
I can't see anything.
Where's the turbo?
Yeah, wait. You left it in there. Wait a sec. Wait.
That was actually insane, dude. Oh. First of all. So stock turbo's finally out. This was probably the most insane thing I've ever had to take out in my life. It took all of Pedro's behind the camera, Ryan, wait for you guys know him, and Paul. Everyone had to come over to try and get this thing out. Basically, like you guys saw, the downpipe bolt just not happening. It's like what, 11 o'clock?
Yeah, it's 10:50.
10:50, 11 o'clock, it's time to get the hybrid turbo back in. So now that the turbo's out, we can compare what they look like next to each other. So this is the stock turbo. This is how big that little turbine is. It's really tiny, can't even get my finger in there. Versus the hybrid, which is significantly larger, to be honest. So basically what I have to do now is just transfer everything over from here onto this one and then just do everything in reverse, which sounds easy, but we'll see how that goes. I'm covered in oil and I'm bleeding everywhere probably, but the hybrid turbo has everything swapped over from it from the stock turbo. So now it's time to finally put this thing in and hopefully just finish this install and go on a super quick test drive to go get gas to make sure nothing blows up. But I think we're good, dude. So it's 2:25 in the morning. The turbo's actually in, thank God. The tune is just loading up right now, it's at 100%. I guess the procedure is clutch in, gas all the way in, and just fucking hold it until it dies. It's supposed to just stop. The clutch in, gas in all the way. Wow, it actually does it. I'm just supposed to keep holding it, not let off. Wow, that's actually crazy that it does that. I guess we have to do that 2 more times.
Like $1 million.
It's a lot louder on the whistle. I think we did it.
Oh yeah, it's running fine.
All right, boys, it is the next day. Yesterday was honestly extremely hectic, so I put down the camera for the last time at 3 a.m. I drove home on the turbo. I couldn't even get into boost at all because Honestly, my intake is not even all the way on. Like it's on, but it's not deep enough on the inlet, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna drive it back over to Weifu's house right now. I'm gonna get that fixed. But on the way there, I figure we might as well show you some of the, I don't know, sounds this thing makes. I'm gonna try to not give too much of the sound away because I want to do like an actual first driving video. But like, since the last video ended so like abruptly like last night, I figured I owe you this. So I'll just give you a quick like little like second and third spool. And it's not crazy because I'm on like the base map right now, but it just sounds a lot different. And I can't wait to see what happens when we start actually tuning it. Dude, that's unreal, dude. That is unreal. Anyways, boys, I appreciate you guys. Stick around for the next video. It's gonna be a sick one. Peace out.